Hey everyone, welcome to Guide on how to check Instagram QR code. So, let's dive right in. First, open up your Instagram app. Make sure you're logged into the account you want to use. Next, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen to access your profile. Once you're on your profile, tap on the three horizontal lines at the top right corner. This will open a menu with various options. From the menu, you'll see an option that says QR code. Tap on that. Now, you should see your Instagram QR code. You can customize the background if you like, and when you're ready, you can either save it to your device or share it directly with others if you want to scan someone else's Instagram QR code. You can tap on Scan QR code at the bottom of this screen. Point your camera at the QR code, and Instagram will automatically recognize it, taking you directly to their profile, and there you have it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.